Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a out with the old, in with the new type of day. And what I mean by that is we're standing in front of our 4 remaining Clemson spineless okra plants, and we're going to harvest what's available, and then we're going to cut them out, remove them, add some more soil, and then plant a plant that I have not been very successful at growing, but we're going to keep trying until we get it right. Let's get started. So on these 4 plants, 2 of them have pods, and we're going to go ahead and harvest them. It looks like I may have had an ant or aphid problem. There's little bumps on the okra, but these have served their purpose, and we're going to go ahead and harvest these and then remove them. Okay, we were able to get 5 pods. And now we're going to go ahead and take my shears and cut them down at the bottom, cut them up, and then take them over to the burn pile. So as you can see, the okra plants have been removed, and the mystery plant that I haven't had much success growing is spinach. Now, I got some spinach seeds on tape from Haas Tools, and we're going to put those into the soil to see if I have better luck. So when I first started my garden down in South Florida, I watched primarily a YouTuber called Nancy and Hollis's Homestead. And he stated, Nance Hollis rather, stated that growing spinach from seeds is very difficult, and you would be better off buying a starter plant. And for me down there, he was correct. It was extremely difficult for me to get anything to germinate. Now, hopefully up here, and after having some experience on gardening, I can get them to germinate from seed without having to buy starter plants. So in this container, we have some soil that I mixed up. It has perlite, the usual stuff: perlite, bone meal, vermiculite, blood meal, and some compost and some fertilizer in it. And we just added enough in to cover the little opening of soil that I have here. And we're going to add a little bit more down here. And this is where I'm going to lay the seed tape on. So here's the seed tape from Haas Tools. Says it is Bloomingdale spinach, and it's 15 feet of tape, and it takes 45 days to maturity. I am affiliated with Haas Tools. I'll put my affiliate link in the description portion and comment portion of the video. And this is what your seed tape looks like. Basically, it looks like your paper towel with seeds in it. So we're going to spread our tape on the soil that we just put down. And I would say it will be about 3 feet worth of tape that we're going to put down. We have it down, and I'm just pressing soil onto the tape to keep it in place, number one, but also to cover the seeds. Okay, we're going to stop just before we come to our cabbage. I'm sorry, our broccoli that we have here. And just like that, we have them planted. I'm going to get my watering can and water them in and come back. As you can see, we got the seed tape all watered in, and hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, hopefully we will be successful in having germination of spinach. Like I said before, I really haven't had much success starting from seed. The few times that I did grow spinach down south, I bought starter plants. Um, Maybe this will be different. At least I'm hoping so. I want to thank you for watching me while we did this quick video, something that needed to be done. The okra plants had stopped producing, and I know that I said in my October garden walkthrough that I wasn't going to plant anything here and just leave it open, but I decided to go ahead and try to put some spinach here and put a little length of row of spinach here to see if I could grow it. Might as well give it a shot. If they don't grow, then we can get some starter plants and start from there, and go from there rather. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart, and I hope that you learned something. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. You can hype the video too if you want. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. I grow a lot of food in my garden, as you can see, but one thing I cannot do is grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Guarantee you, if you like my video, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.